Okay, let's go.
Hi, it's Dr. Liz Cat Vet. Did you know that one of the major airlines in Australia will now allow pets to travel in the cabin?
What did you say?
Can you hear a plane going over now? However, they still recommend not sedating your pet. Why is this? Put yourself in the cat's shoes. Can you imagine being in this place? You have no idea where you're going. You're stuck inside a cage. It's like really loud. What would possibly make this more bearable for your cat? Medication. So old school drugs were actually more risky. They worked differently. And some of the newer drugs we have, although ironically are actually not actually that new, they're old human drugs, are a lot safer for our pets, even seniors. It is something you do need to talk to your vet about and get a proper prescription. There are definitely some natural options out there that are worth trying. And one key thing with whether you're doing the prescriptions or the more natural products available over the counter, you definitely need to be acclimatizing your cat to the experience of being in their carrier well in advance and trying the medication before and seeing how does it go.
What if I can't medicate my cat though?
No problem. Just mix it in kitty crack.
Happy traveling!